There is this new Star Wars television series about Boba Fett. This reminded me of my childhood, so I searched my storage compartment for my old Lego, and here it is, Boba Fett's spaceship, the Slave One. At least what's left of it. Some parts are heavily spoiled or scratched, so let's clean this up. I used my car detailing supplies for this job. First, I use snow foam. The cleaner is mixed with water and pressure is generated in the bottle by pumping. In the first try I made a mistake. I had to clean the nozzle again, then everything worked fine. Let the foam soak for about 5 minutes. I cleaned all the parts with the brush. Then the parts were rinsed with clear water. I used a sieve for this and I washed the large parts separately. I use special dry towel for drying. This is also a car detailing supply. The long fibers absorb the water very well. It took about 15 minutes for them to dry completely. Now the parts are perfectly clean. In the next step, I polish the scratched parts. I use a car polish and various polishing supplies. I taped off a spot to make the difference visible. clean improvement can be seen. So let's go on with the polishing. I do not polish the printed spots. This could destroy the print. Next, I continue with the transparent parts. The steps are the same as before. Afterwards, the part have to be washed again. Of course, it's not possible to turn a used part into a brand new one, but it looks a lot better than before. Follow me here on YouTube. I will upload a video of the assembly soon.